हाँ तरुण सर।
यस अरविंदो, यस।
यस। जो मेरा जो क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट्सअप एपीआई जो है ये हमारे बिजनेस के लिए मतलब कितना यूजफुल रहेगा? लाइक मतलब जो ईमेल मार्केटिंग जो होता है, बेसिकली बहुत सारे लोग ईमेल, मतलब इंडिया की बात करूँ तो ईमेल बहुत सारे लोग मतलब यूज करते हैं और बहुत सारे लोग यूज नहीं भी करते हैं। ठीक है। तो लाइक लेकिन व्हाट्सअप जो है वो मतलब सारे लोग यूज करते हैं। तो व्हाट्सअप एपीआई जो है हमारे बिजनेस के लिए कितना वो यूजफुल रहेगा?
So the answer is yes, definitely. As compared to email, WhatsApp API will be useful. But again, you need to understand for what you want to use it. Maybe you want to use it for webinar notifications, correct?
यस।
So it is useful, but at the same time, I don't use it. Now why? Now, what I do? What I do is I use a WhatsApp community instead of API. Use WhatsApp community. Recently, new feature they rolled out. You can have 5,000 people in a community, which is a spam free kind of thing. Okay. So there are two ways how we nurture people through WhatsApp. Number one is community. In community, other person can only see the number of people who are here in the community, but you cannot see other people phone number. You cannot disturb other people. It is only one way communication. Clear? So what I say is, example, just say for example, I create a content on YouTube and we have to design our prospect journey. I say, okay, this Thursday I'm going to do a special workshop on lead generation, or I'm special workshop on how to make money using chat GPT, suppose. Now click on the link below, fill up the form, and after you fill up the form you will be redirected to a WhatsApp group, and on that WhatsApp group you will receive all the notifications. It is a spam free WhatsApp group. Nobody is going to message you, so don't worry, it is a spam free WhatsApp group. Only you will receive my notifications. So if you want notifications on WhatsApp, because even customer want notification on WhatsApp, correct? So let the customer take decision. Like say for example, अभी आप सब लोग platinum members हैं and every Monday हमारी meetings होती हैं. How many of you want this meeting notification on WhatsApp? How many of you want this? Everybody will say yes. कभी कभी सर ईमेल मिस हो जाती है, ये आप ही का फायदा है ना इसमें. इट इज योर बेनिफिट. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल क्रिएट वन कम्युनिटी, व्हाट्सएप कम्युनिटी, एंड आई विल से जस्ट जॉइन दिस, दैट्स इट. अब उस कम्युनिटी में हर बस मैं डाल दिया करूंगा, दैट्स इट. सो यूज व्हाट्सएप कम्युनिटी. एपीआई के लिए आपको पेमेंट करनी पड़ेगी, इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये फ्री का ही कर सकते हो. दूसरा जो आप कर सकते हो, यू कैन क्रिएट अ गूगल फॉर्म. एक और मैं आपको एक बताता हूँ कि मैं क्या करता हूँ. So what we do is we create a Google form, and this one. So one option is you can let them join the WhatsApp community. Second option is you can tell them, okay, click on the link below, and if you want the updates of all my live events, plus I mean you have to give some reason why they should join, correct? If you want updates of all my live events, plus if you want some freebies, every Monday I share something free like script of the week, offer of the week, product of the week, something, webinar of the week, training of the week. Every Monday I share this. If you want to grab access to this on your WhatsApp number, okay, then click on the link below and fill up a Google form. Example, okay, and this will be the Google form. And here I'm very clearly mentioning here, you will get all the updates. Okay, what you have to do is save these two WhatsApp numbers, save these two numbers. Okay, step number one, save these numbers with the name DNA Club Updates. Okay, and then fill up the form. So what we will do, once they fill up the form, we have 114 entries, so we also save their number in our Google contacts. And then finally, then you create a broadcast list, and once they have your number saved, you have their number saved. Don't you think that they are going to watch your stories or also WhatsApp status? So using WhatsApp status, you can actually do passive follow up. So this way they have your number saved and you have their number saved. So these are two strategies which we use instead of using WhatsApp API.